Let's go to the Subnet tab. We selected the first subnet from the list. From the drop-down action menu, select Delete Subnet. In the Delete Subnets confirmation window, we have a warning that the subnet will be deleted permanently and cannot be recovered later. Type delete in the field and press the button delete. Welcome back, gurus. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the intricate process of managing AWS's default virtual private cloud. Demonstrating step-by-step, we explore the possibilities and implications of deleting a default subnet from Availability Zone B and then proceed to entirely remove the default VPC from the AWS environment. Offering practical insights, this tutorial will not only elucidate the deletion process but also pave the way for our next discussion on recreating a default VPC and establishing a private subnet. In this video, we will try to delete the default subnet in Availability Zone B and delete default VPC. Let's try to delete the default subnet. Do you think it is possible? Well, let's see. We are in the VPC window. Let's go to the Subnet tab. We selected the first subnet from the list. From the drop-down action menu, select Delete Subnet. In the Delete Subnets confirmation window, we have a warning that the subnet will be deleted permanently and cannot be recovered later. Type delete in the field and press the button delete. As we can see, we have successfully deleted the default subnet and there's two left. Go to the VPC window. Select Default VPC and then go to drop-down action menu. We can see that Create Default VPC is grayed out. This means we can have just one default VPC per region. Select Delete VPC. Delete VPC window shows us what will be deleted. VPC. 2 subnets. My test private route table. And we have a warning that VPC will be deleted permanently and cannot be recovered later. Tick Acknowledge and type Delete Default VPC and then press the Delete button. We have now successfully deleted default VPC. Refresh window. And done. No VPC in the Ireland region. In this tutorial, we provided a step-by-step walkthrough on managing AWS's default VPC, specifically focusing on the deletion of a default subnet in Availability Zone B and the complete removal of the default VPC. Highlighting key aspects and potential pitfalls, the video informed users about permanent data loss upon deletion. In the upcoming video, we'll shift gears and delve into the creation of a new default VPC and the establishment of a private subnet. Thank you for watching, gurus. Another AWS VPC snippets for your IT journey. Did you learn from us? If so, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AWS insights. See you next time, gurus.